it and the wax went all the way down on the cake.
Which I threw a sock in a light and it made a fire.
Yeah.
And it was my sock.
Yeah, you told me that earlier.
Okay, are we ready to sing happy birthday to Aaliyah? Okay, blow out your candles.
Bingo!
Good job, guys.
Aiden, stop. Stop.
Did anybody make a wish?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
Does anybody want to say what the wish is?
yeah. No. No. Yes. It won't come true.
Oh.
No.
Say it.
Hey, Aaliyah. Happy birthday early, girl.